This is the heater starting up, so you can hear the pump kicking in now, but once it gets going there, it gets super quiet. And as for setup, just like the Vivor heater I had before, super easy to set up. But like I said, just the parts alone are just you can tell the quality is so much better going on, but super easy to set up. And just user friendly, the app and everything too that I have for it. We'll just let this run here for a bit. And then the output on here too is a 3-inch versus 2.5 on the other heater that I had before.